Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Tuesday, August 29, 2023. I'm Jeremy Crosby. Hope you're having a great day. Glad you're tuned with us here for your TF headlines. And let's start in talking about Labor Day weekend as that gets closer. In case you're taking off, want to remind you a few things. First, in Labor Day observance, City Hall will be closed. So the Library, Recreation, Senior Center will be closed on Monday, September 4th. We'll open up at normal business hours on Tuesday, September 5th, as the kiddos get back to school and life goes on. But regardless, we'll be closed on Monday for that. That also means your trash and recycling service will be delayed due to the Labor Day holiday. Residents will be served 1 day later than their normal service day of the week of September 4th due to the Labor Day holiday. Residents with regular service on Monday will receive their service on Tuesday on Wednesday, and so forth for the week. You got any questions, you can contact Pelletieri. And of course, during any of our holiday seasons, all our public safety officials will still out there be working their normal shifts and hours to keep everybody safe. So we appreciate everybody who has to work. And if you don't, we hope you have a safe and fun weekend. Couple of road construction updates for you. First, Lacy Syene Road construction update. We talked about this last week, but if you've been driving by, you may have noticed that the road is almost ready to be opened. Yes. So for this week here, the project restoration continues in the area of Lacy and Syene. They'll be completing the signing and pavement markings and opening up the intersection on Friday, September 1st. So keep that in mind that if you been avoiding the area, that will open up on the 1st. We're still waiting to find out, at least as of today. This could change. The signs did go up for the next phase of construction, which will take place at East Sherrill Parkway and Syene Road. And that road closure is slated to either start on Friday the 1st with closing the road, or they might wait till the following week, the 5th, to start road construction. Regardless, that construction officially would start on the 5th at the intersection. Those detour signs and announcements went up today as well. If you're driving around the area, you can check that out as seen here. But otherwise, it's looking like a good road, and very excited to have that open. Second part of this will continue up till the winter time of finishing the intersection of East Sherrill Parkway and Syene Road intersection. So that's coming up there right next to Quick Trip. And I do have the Lacy and Seminole Highway Road construction project. That project also will be having an opening this Friday at the intersection of Lacy and Seminole Highway. That is a new roundabout that has been put in there. Construction to Lacy Road is still being worked on from Seminole Highway to Fitzroy Road, and that work will continue on, but at least the roundabout at Lacy and Seminole are open. These road names are so close to each other. Sheesh, trying to tell you about them can be a little bit difficult. All right, Splash Pad, that will be closing for the season this Friday, September 1st. The Splash Pad has been open throughout the summer, but will close up on Friday, September 1st. And they'll be thanking everybody again who's used the Splash Pad this year. Hopefully you had a lot of fun. Definitely had plenty of days to enjoy that Splash Pad for sure. Turning our attention to the Fitchburg Senior Center, they have their next fun dance/party event, and that's happening on Friday evening of the 15th in observance of, or in celebration of National Senior Center Month. A big dance party with the Red Hot Horn Dogs. They're back. They'll be playing from 5 to 8. They'll be playing from 6 to 8 p.m. From 5 to 8 p.m. You can enjoy beer, pulled pork, sandwiches for purchase. Regardless, it's going to be a lot of fun. We'll be doing a live broadcast from 4 to 5 p.m. to kick off the party in celebration of National Senior Center Month. We'll have more details coming in next week. And free COVID testing is available if you're looking for at-home free COVID tests. Public Health of Madison and Dane County have some available tests for you. You can stop by and pick up those free tests during the normal business hours, either at their East Washington Avenue location, 2705 East Washington Avenue, or the 2300 block of South Park Street, Suite 2010. Have a great day.